If you want to record phone calls on Realme GT 7T, the first thing that we can do is check if we have the built-in option that allows us to record phone calls. In some regions and countries, it is possible to just record or start recording phone calls while we are in a call. In this case, in the call menu, we can just tap more in order to find this option. However, in my case, as you can see, this option is unfortunately missing because in some regions this is not an option. But there is a simple solution in order to record phone calls. In that case, we need to download a third-party app that allows us to do so. So we have to go to the Play Store, and then we can search for some sort of phone call recorder. So we're gonna write phone call recorder, and let's see what we can get. So of course we can find multiple different apps that we can use. I'm gonna choose this one over here. I'm gonna show you how to set it up and how to use it. And unfortunately this app seems to be not working, so we cannot install it. So we're gonna use this one instead. And let's see if this one works. So as you can see, unfortunately not everything works as well. But if you don't like this one for some reason, feel free to try anything else. So once we open it, we should be able to set it up. Of course, we have an ad. So in this disclaimer, we need to press accept and grant the permission. There we go. Over here, we can set our call recorder as the default caller ID and spam app. So of course, we can select it and then press as default, although I'm not sure if that's really necessary. Over here, we have the important message that if you are unable to listen to your call recording properly due to low sound, we need to turn on the mobile speaker or the loudspeaker to record calls properly. So if you have issues with the voice quality, etc., or the sound quality of the recording, you might need to use loudspeaker when you are trying to record a conversation or the phone call. So over here, what we can also do is tap on the setting icon in order to see if the call recorder is enabled. Over here, we also have the option to choose which calls we want to record. It is automatic, so we don't even have to do anything if we have an incoming call because it starts automatically. So let me call myself in order to show you how it looks like when the app is actually recording the phone call. So soon I should be able to have the incoming call. There we go. Let's answer. And now if we go to notifications, there we go. Unfortunately, it seems to be missing. So what we're gonna do is open the call recorder, and it seems that it is actually trying to record. There we go. Now the phone call recorder is active. So in case you don't have the notification, you might actually need to open the app. This might be due to the app not running in the background, as it is of course required to do so. And I think I decided to allow it, but maybe the app didn't set it up properly. So in case you cannot run the app in the background, we can open settings, and then go to apps, open app manager. Then over here, we're gonna go to this call recorder, go to battery usage, and then we can allow background activity and then press allow. And that should solve the issue. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.